To fix a Geenie camera that's not connecting, several factors should be considered. The most common issues include a weak internet connection, the router being out of range, or incorrect pairing. Checking the internet connection is the first step in resolving these problems. If the Geenie camera suddenly goes offline, it may be due to a slow or non-existent connection. Resetting the Wi-Fi router and reconnecting can often resolve this issue, as a good internet connection is essential for a reliable Geenie camera. Bringing the router closer to the camera can also improve the connection, as a router that is too far away can prevent the camera from connecting to the internet. Ensuring the router is within range can result in a stronger and faster connection. If the Geenie app is not paired correctly with the Wi-Fi, the camera will not connect. To correct this, resetting and pairing again is necessary. This can be done by opening the app, selecting Add Device, and then following the prompts to pair the camera correctly. By addressing these potential issues, it's possible to fix a Geenie camera that's not connecting, and a reliable connection can be established.